I can't believe this actually stopped my snoring. When I sleep at night or nap during the day, my snoring drives my partner insane. She bought me this VitalSleep anti-snoring mouthpiece online, and I genuinely didn't think it would work, but the results are insane. She said I no longer snore at all, and I've noticed that I wake up feeling so much more rested. Plus, the Customizable Fit means it's comfortable to wear. If you're struggling with snoring, you have to try this. Click the link to shop now and receive free worldwide shipping.